our main attractions of today's function. So please come on the dance. So
चलो एक बार फिर से अजनबी बन जाए हम दोनों।
let me brief
चलो
about
एक बार फिर से अजनबी बन जाए हम।
I also express some thanks gratitude to Mr. Gunadhar Mandal, academic in charge, for giving me chance in academics. Need not to explain much about him. What personality he shows, actually he possesses. Very calm and quiet, very intelligent, very knowledgeable. Each and every day, I used to learn from Gunadhar and I used to learn from Subrata.
शुक्रिया शुक्रिया शुक्रिया। आज जो भी है हम सब है आपकी ही बदौलत, आपके समर्पण को सलाम। शुक्रिया 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 शुक्रिया।
मुसाफिर हूँ यारो, ना घर है ना ठिकाना, मुझे चलते जाना है, बस चलते जाना।
शुक्रिया 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 शुक्रिया। आज जो भी है हम सब है आपकी ही बदौलत, आपके समर्पण को सलाम। शुक्रिया 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 शुक्रिया।
हाथ थाम के आपने है हमको सब सिखाया, माफ की गलतियां संभाला जब भी लड़खड़ाया।
शुक्रिया 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 शुक्रिया।
To all the teachers we have met in the
जिंदगी के सफर में गुजर जाते हैं जो मकाम, वो फिर नहीं आते, वो फिर नहीं आते। जिंदगी के सफर में गुजर जाते हैं जो मकाम, वो फिर नहीं आते, वो फिर नहीं आते। कुछ तो लोग कहेंगे, लोगों का काम है कहना, छोड़ो बेकार की बातों में कहीं बीत न जाए रहना। कुछ तो लोग कहेंगे, लोगों काम है कहना। छोड़ो बेकार की बातों में कहीं बीत न जाए रहना। कुछ तो लोग कहेंगे, कुछ रीत जगत की ऐसी है, हर एक सुबह की शाम हुई। कुछ रीत जगत की ऐसी है, हर एक सुबह की शाम हुई। तू कौन है, तेरा नाम है क्या? सीता भी यहाँ बदनाम हुई। फिर क्यों संसार की बातों से भीग गए तेरे नैना। कुछ तो लोग कहेंगे, लोगों का काम है कहना। छोड़ो बेकार की बातों में कहीं बीत न जाए रहना। कुछ तो लोग कहेंगे।
Good evening, Shubh Sandhya, all the ladies and gentlemen present here. Respected Vinit Kumar ji, ED, Sai, NS Shikshana Center, as well as ED Academics Patiala. And respected Ram Kumar ji, AD1, Sai, NS Shikshana Center, Susri Ruma ma'am, AD Dagri Dakshan sir, AD Vishal Anand ji, and Susri Tamali Bose madam. Really, I express my gratitude and thanks for honoring me in this very particular evening for my farewell program. So, I don't have any adequate word how to express my gratitude and thanks to all office members. I also express my gratitude and thanks to all administrative staff, account staff, and especially to the coaching section, and not to forget the personnel section also. I also express my gratitude and thanks to the sports section, sports science in charge, and my beloved Snehanshu Adhikari ji, Dr. SKC, and his staff members, because I used to very frequently visit this health center because of my health situations. Each and every one of you have cooperated with me during this period. Nextly, I would like to express my gratitude and thanks to the Sai and its entire family. Really, it is a tremendous experience to work in this big, huge organization. I also express my gratitude and thanks to our DG Sandeep Pradhanji. Really, he is a great visionary, high ambitious. वो करके दिखाया जो उन्होंने कहा था, अब की बार 100 की बार, और उन्होंने ये एशियन गेम में करके दिखाया। और मैं आज यहाँ से सर को बधाई देना चाहता हूँ। आने वाले ओलंपिक्स में हमारे जो पोजीशन होना चाहिए विद इन 10 के अंदर आना चाहिए। हैट्स ऑफ टू हिम, सैल्यूट टू हिम। I also express my gratitude and thanks to my parents who brought me to the universe. Without giving them recognition, I would have been not brought up in this way. Whatever appreciation you have given me, whatever politeness, humbleness, whatever the things you are doing, seeing on me, it is because of my parents. I also express my gratitude and thanks to my family, who has cooperated me throughout my training, throughout my tenure. My children, they have suffered a lot due to the very frequent transfer from one place to other place. They have faced a lot of challenges on adopting the languages. Sometimes Bengali, sometimes Udiya, sometimes Punjabi, sometimes Hindi. So it's a mixed culture. So they, especially my younger daughter, she faced a lot of problem. I also express my gratitude and thanks to my football department, and with credit goes to none other than the Surendra Kumar, who has binded us like anything. Whenever there is a problem, Surendra, भाई कर लेना, अरे दादा आप जाओ मैं चिंता नहीं, सुब्रत कर लेना, अरे दादा चिंता क्यों करते हैं? गुणधर के तो I don't have any words. He is the man of patience. I also hats off to him. उसको कभी मैंने गुस्सा में नहीं देखा, कभी कुछ थकते नहीं है. छुट्टी से लौट के आया, हम वेट करते कि अगले दिन ज्वाइन करेंगे. उसको टाइम है, ऑफिस खुल के बैठ जाता है. कोई नहीं है, ऑफिस खुल के बैठ जाता है. He's a passionate work. Really, brother, I enjoy with you. I worked almost 5 academic in-charges, but I have never come across such a patience and such a gentleman. Thank you, brother. तू अपना खूबियां ढूंढ, खामियां निकालने के लिए तो लोग है ना. अगर रखना है कदम आगे, because he is a man of visionary to bring the Indian sports very high. So he has suffering something. He has removed some courses from Patiala to Calcutta, some course from Patiala to Bangalore. So she ought to utilize the course infrastructure and field of play, especially for the MC players. So I joined on 15th October 2020. It was a very challenging time. Second lockdown was going on. And it was very worried how to manage, how to shift my family. Anyway, myself and Surendra on 14th October, we came here with a kit and all these things while flying on the plane. We reached here and we joined on 15th. Immediately next day I meet Gunadhar. I discussed with him how to do, what to do. He said nothing, we just join it. Now I came on quarantine. So I came 15 days quarantine. Then after that, online classes start. By the meantime, our ED, he is also one of the another visionary. He is very much interested in academics. He said during this time, Corona time, you must share your knowledge with the other coaches. So with the academic coaches is to prepare PPT for the diploma course, PPT for the other coaches. At the same time, this is the certificate course also started. So very tough time. And our football syllabus also entirely changed. So I used to consult sometimes with Subrata, sometimes with Gunadhar, what to do, how to do. So it was very tough time. Anyway, that crisis is over. Then gradually it comes to the normalization. And today is the day I am going into goodbye. Though it is very difficult for me to say goodbye. हम लोग आपस में मिलते रहेंगे, बात करते रहेंगे, एक दूसरे का खबर लेते रहेंगे. I would like to thank every one of you for the support during my tenure at SAI NS System Center. I also express my regards to my beloved ED Vinit Kumarji. We know each other before joining here, and he is such a nice person. Always he is approachable.
Where he was very polite and gentle and make the course very enjoyable ones. Moreover, during this professional career also, there are very few elder people, they ask from a below age people. But he is such a man, and that is his greatness. Round of applause for this particular gentleman, please. Always in the training sessions, and that I have found in him, that is his greatness. Yes, Roto, you tell me about this, how you do this, and that is he. And moreover, Whenever I have met with him, there was a time when I think in 2005 I went to Gwalior. He initiated that यार तू फैमिली लेके मेरे घर में आ जाना यार, मेरे क्वार्टर में आ जाना, मेरे साथ एक बार डिनर तो करके जा. So that was it. So these all things are remembered, and these are the things I'm expressing by, because I'm also quite emotional. From tomorrow onwards, I'll be surely missing him, because whatever he has done is for our betterment, to make this particular department a great one. Now, when the people say that your football department is very good, it's he only that helps us to make this department a great one. So, I expect that with your beloved wife, you have a wonderful wife who is very cooperative, very calm. You'll have a great life in the days to come. And my request to all of you, till we are here, you must, since you are not staying very far from here, you must come over here and meet us. And that is what our feelings is. We can sit, we can have a chat. Don't forget that we are not only your colleague. Just treat us as your brother only. He was so polite that since he has joined later than me, I became senior. But I always gave the respect that no, Dada, you are senior, because I have seen you in that way only. So that is Subhashish Bhattacharya. A huge round of applause for this gentleman. Yeah, I will be definitely missing this man from tomorrow. With this, I express my high gratitude to you, and hope that you'll have a wonderful life in the days to come. Thank you, Dr. So before I give occasion,
to all, Ram sir, and Gunnadhar Mandal, and Tamari madam, and Subhashish Bhattacharya. मैडम नमस्कार. दरअसल मैं सुभाषिश सर को तकरीबन 8-10 साल से जा रहा हूँ, क्योंकि पहले हम फील्ड में थे तो ये टीचिंग में चल रहे थे. मैं 2014 में ट्रांसफ़र हुआ पटियाला. उस टाइम से हमारा थोड़ा लिंक ज़्यादा बना था. एक ही डिपार्टमेंट में होने के कारण आपस में बातचीत हमारी आपस में बहुत ज़्यादा होती थी, क्योंकि हमारे घर भी साथ ही साथ क्लोज थे, नेबर थे हम दोनों एक दूसरे के, और घर में आना जाना लगा रहता था. इनका जो फैमिली, मैडम बैठी हैं, आप शायद नहीं, हम तो इनके साथ मिले हैं, तो मैडम का बिहेव और सर का सेम हेल्पिंग हैंड है. मैडम हमेशा बोलकर हमारे साथ मिलते थे, और सर के साथ तो हमारा पूरा कनेक्शन रहता था. मुझे जो भी प्रॉब्लम होती थी एकेडमिक्स के उसमें, मैं हमेशा इनका मतलब शुक्रगुजार हूँ कि उन्होंने मेरे को बहुत हेल्पिंग हैंड दिया. बहुत कुछ मैंने इनके साथ रह कर सीखा, क्योंकि मैं फर्स्ट टाइम इसमें एकेडमी में जा रहा था. वैसे सारा फील्ड मेरी नौकरी कोचिंग में रही है. पीछे के जो लास्ट 8-10 साल हैं वो इनके साथ मैंने बिताए हैं, और मुझे बहुत कुछ सीखने के लिए मिला. जैसे कि मंडल साहब बोले हैं कि इनकी जो क्वालिफिकेशन वो बहुत ज़्यादा है. जो भी ये बात करते हैं पूरा डीपली जाकर एक बच्चे को समझाने की कोशिश करते हैं. ग्राउंड में हमारा का जो नेचर अलग है, इनसे डिफरेंट है, क्योंकि हम कभी कभी बच्चे को ड्रिल समझाते थोड़ा एग्रेसिव हो जाते हैं. तो ये इनको हमने कभी ऐसे नहीं देखा कि ये कभी बच्चे के ऊपर चिल्लाकर कुछ बोलते हैं. पूरा कूल माइंड होकर बच्चे को समझाने की कोशिश करते हैं। तो हमारे को तो एक लॉस है कि हमारा एक फैकल्टी मेंबर जा रहा है, तो उसके जो भरपाई है वो नहीं हो सकती, क्योंकि आगे से जो डिपार्टमेंट है वो नए कोचिज देने के इसमें नहीं है। वो जो भी देख रहा है कि हम 3 या 4 कोचिज हैं, वही उसी से काम चलता रहे। बाकी गेस्ट फैकल्टी के लिए वो बोल रहे हैं गेस्ट फैकल्टी लाने के लिए। फिलहाल हम इसको सर को सोच रहे हैं कि नेक्स्ट ईयर जो हमने गेस्ट फैकल्टी के बारे में अप्रूवल लेनी है उसमें हम उनका नाम डालेंगे। तो इसलिए हम थोड़ा वेट कर रहे हैं कि इस जो नेक्स्ट सेशन आएगा, सेमेस्टर आएगा, उसमें हम वो नहीं कर पाएंगे। मगर अगले जो सेशन में नेक्स्ट सेशन जो आएगा उसको हम फिलअप करने की कोशिश करेंगे, सर को बुलाने की एज ए गेस्ट फैकल्टी। मैं इनको इनकी रिटायरमेंट के ऊपर अपनी तरफ से बधाई देता हूँ कि इन्होंने अपनी जो सर्विस है वो पूरे मतलब जो एक सर्विस मैन है अपने दिल लगाकर अपने डिपार्टमेंट को 100% देने की कोशिश करते हैं, वो इन्होंने किया। तो मैं अपनी तरफ से इनको बधाई देता हूँ, साथ में मैडम को भी देता हूँ कि आप इनका संभालो। पहले ये बहुत वर्क किए हैं, इनको पटियाले में भी हरदम, जो मैं तो साथ रहा हूँ पटियाले में, तो इनको हरदम मतलब बिजी रखते थे उसमें सारा काम करने के लिए। इधर भी इनका बहुत ज़्यादा काम लोड था इस सर के ऊपर। जितना भी काम जो रिजल्ट है या हमारा
And the main important thing is being a senior person, he never hesitated to discuss any matters regarding the football. फुटबॉल में जब भी कोई डील कराता है, कुछ भी कराते हैं हम लोग, तो वो हम लोग से पूछते हैं ये कैसे होगा, नहीं होगा। मतलब वो कभी भी उनका पास में ईगोइज्म नहीं रहता है उसके पास में। That is the most important thing. He always got to learn and always cooperate, always adjustable, because he always used to prepare the schedule of the classes in football. So he used to ask us first that our availability, our compatibility, then he make the schedule. That kind of man he is. He's so adjustable. So we will not forget him, sir. So your service, your dedications, your sincerity, this institution always remember. And we have passed the many times, many memories we have. In the Japan also we went together, in Hungary also we went together. And many courses we have done together. And we have seen that how his behavior, how calm, quiet, and very, very polite in nature. Definitely our student miss him. And after retirement also, we will use your knowledge as a guest faculty. It will take some time for taking the approval. Definitely, from the next sessions, we'll take your help so the diploma course will get, the trainees will get benefited out of this. So with these few words, I wish you be very happy and healthy eternal life. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
Adhikari to come over here. Round of applause for Dr. Adhikari also. Please, please.
शुभ संध्या सभी को. I know Dr. Subhasis Bhattacharya. I always say retirement is a function. It's a part of metamorphosis. I'll rather explain what is metamorphosis. It is a phase when you are getting ultimate maturity. Okay, so once one caterpillar became butterfly, this process is called metamorphosis. I personally believe retirement is the phase of metamorphosis. You are getting more and more mature, and so that you have turned and you are having that vast experience. And coming to Subhasis sir, his name is also saying that Ashish. Ashish is always Ashirwad, है ना? Subh Ashish. आशीर्वाद के ऊपर भी शुभ है. And as he is, his smile, his down to earth. I have joined in Patiala, and by faith we became neighbor also over there. So many days his daughter used to be in our house, or my daughter used to be in his house. So I have seen he is very down to earth, very polite, and such knowledgeable and easy approachable. Anytime chalta hai, like that. We had a very good time in Patiala, and we had a very good freedom to work day night. हम लोग कैंपस में रहते थे कभी भी, और नाइबर भी थे. जस्ट इनके रूम, मेरे रूम टॉप फ्लोर में थे, सेकंड फ्लोर में मेरे इनका ग्राउंड फ्लोर में था. सो जाते आते तो भाभी जी के साथ या इनका डॉटर के साथ मिलना वाज द वेरी रूटीन थिंग्स, एंड वी हैड ए वेरी गुड टाइम. एंड what I felt, he is a very जसूला पर्सन, मीन्स जोश भरे है. बट आई डोंट नो, कलकत्ता में सबको शायद जोश थोड़ा सा कम है. शायद आई फील एवरीबडी हैज टू वर्क टुगेदर, एंड एज सर इज वेरी डाउन टू अर्थ, we are also having the child inside us as he is. मीन्स इनके अंदर जैसे शिशु सुलभ एक नेचर है. उनका स्माइल और पूछना और स्नेहांशु कैसे हो, that itself is having a very nice flavor. जब भी मिलते थे ना, और कैसे चल रहा है, like that. So I think that behavioral approach we must learn from such experienced educator in our academics, and I wish him a great success in his next innings of life. Thank you everyone.
Anybody left? Okay, no one.
The journey here has been a complete roller coaster, and happy and sad moments, lonely and overcrowded days. Literally every phase here has been incredible. During this phase, I have worked with an extraordinary and enthusiastic teammates. Words have not yet been created to express that what I owe to you. I really gained many important